Hello children, good morning all of you. Your Aditi teacher is back again. How are you today? I hope you all are fine, isn't it? So today we are going to do a revision of forward slanting line. Okay? Which revision we are going to do? A forward slanting line from right to left. Okay? Yes, let me show you some objects. Yes, can you see what is this? Yes, this is a pepper stick. Okay, so if I am holding this pepper stick in slant position, which position? Slant position. So this is called as forward slanting line. What it is called? Forward slanting line. How to write? From up to down. But how you have to write? From right to come down, 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 left, isn't it? Yes, this is a forward slanting line. What it is called? Forward slanting line. Okay, I will show you one more object. What is this? Yes, this is ice cream stick. Yes, so if I am holding it in slanting position, then this becomes slanting line. Which slanting line? Forward slanting line. Yes, forward slanting line, isn't it? Very good children. Now I am going to show you some pictures and you all will come to know what is slanting line. Okay? So let's go and see the pictures. So children, this is the first picture which is showing slanting line. Can you see? It's raining. Yes. And the position of raindrops is slant position and it is showing forward slanting line, isn't it? Yes. Can you see this rain? Yes. These are the forward slanting lines, isn't it? Yes. Now next picture. Yes, what is this? Yes, this is a slide. And you see this slide in the garden, isn't it? And it is in which position? Slanting position. Is it in a forward slant position? Yes. Then the boy is flying a kite, isn't it? The boy is flying a kite up in the sky. So, can you see the thread? Yes, that boy is holding a thread in his hand and it is also showing the position of forward slant, isn't it? Yes. So, can you see the position from right to left? From right to left. Yes. Now, what is this? Yes. Sometimes you play this game with your parents and friends. Which game it is? Yes, snakes and ladders. Can you see this ladder? Yes, it is also in which position? Forward slanting line, isn't it? Yes. So, this ladder is also showing forward slanting line. Very good. Now we will revise how to write forward slanting line. I know you must have done in your books, but now as we have to write in notebooks, we will again revise how to write in 4 lines. Okay? Yes. So children, can you see? As like in your notebook, there are 4 lines. I have drawn such 4 lines over here. First line is red line, then blue line, again blue line, and last one again red line. Okay? So now let's observe how to write forward slanting line. Okay? You have to start from this red line and you have to come down, 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 down to second blue line. Yes, can you see? Yes, this is called forward slanting line. What it is called? Forward slanting line. Let me draw some more. How to draw? How to draw? Just see. From red line to blue line. But from right to left. From right to left. From right to left. Wow! Such a beautiful forward slanting lines, isn't it? Yes. Now I will draw some more, okay? Forward slanting line. From right to left. From right to left. From this red line, you are going to start and you have to come down on the left side till blue line. Okay? Yes, that's great. Yes. In this way, you all will write forward slanting line in your notebook. Okay? Now let me show you how to write forward slanting line. Okay? As like this, you are also going to practice slanting line on slate first and then you have to write in the notebook. Okay? Okay. Now let's see. Can you see? Red line and again red line, isn't it? That's great. So I'm going to start from first red line and I'll come down till second blue line. Yes, that's great. Forward slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Oh wow! So you are not going to cross this blue line, okay? While writing, you have to keep in mind that you are not going to cross this second blue line, okay? From first red line till second blue line. Okay? Understood? That's great. Now we will write in notebook. So let's get started. So children, are you all ready with your 4-line notebook? Okay, so let's start. You are going to open a new page on which you have to write forward slant line with the help of parents and you will write C.W. That means classwork, okay? And you all have to do along with me, okay? And see, I have drawn such forward slanting lines as like this. You have to get it done by your parents and from the second line, you all are going to start with me, okay? Yes. So are you all ready? Okay. So observe it carefully. You have to start from red line and you have to come down to the left side and touch to the second blue line. Okay? Here I am using sketch pen, but you are not supposed to use sketch pen while writing. Okay? You all are going to use your pencil. Okay? And you have to use sharpened pencil. Now see, again from right to left, again from red line to blue line, come down, touch to blue line. Yes, that's great. So likewise, you have to finish complete page. Okay. Are you all doing along with me? Very good. Yes, that's great. Wonderful. Draw it nicely. Wow, wonderful. While writing, be careful. You will not cross the second blue line, okay? You are not supposed to touch the last red line, okay? Yes, very well done, children. While writing, say in your mind, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. In this way, you have to complete the whole page. Okay? Have you all completed? Okay, those who have not completed, take your time. Very good. So children, have you all completed your writing part? Okay. Now here comes one activity. Okay? So are you all excited? Do you want to do along with teacher? Okay. So I am going to tell you what material we will need for this activity. Okay? And I hope surely you will enjoy this activity. Okay? Let's go. So children, for this activity, we will need a blank sheet of paper, Fevicol and Rangoli color. Okay? Whatever color you like, you can take that. Here I have taken yellow color. Okay? So now, with the help of this Fevicol, we are going to draw forward slanting line. Okay? Come on, let's start. See, like this, you have to draw forward slanting line. Okay? From right to left. Okay? So now, with the help of this pointer finger, you have to spread the Fevicol first. See, I have spread the Fevicol. Okay? Now, here comes the interesting part. Now, with the help of these two fingers, you are going to take Rangoli in your pinch and you have to put it on this Fevicol. Okay? So like this, you are going to put the Rangoli on Fevicol. Okay? Wow! Can you see a forward slant line? Yes. So let's enjoy the activity. See, even your teacher is also enjoying while doing the activity. Wow, wonderful. You can take any color, whatever is your favorite. Wow, excellent. So are you all doing the activity? Yes, wonderful. See how to put like this. Okay. Okay. Now we have done with the activity. Now you have to remove the extra Rangoli color in the plate and your activity is ready. See, I have removed the extra Rangoli. Okay. Now can you see this yellow color forward slanting lines? Wow, very good children. Yes, you also do this activity as I have shown you. Okay. So children, have you all enjoyed the activity? That's great. And we have revised forward slanting line, isn't it? That's what all about today. Okay. See you in the next session. Till the time, bye.